Well, tonight's project, I just got here. This hasn't even been a minute. All I did is came over and set this down after I started it. And we already got it. Wow. Crazy. Anyway, I gotta get in the skid loader again. Hurt my leg. I wasn't even up there like 10 seconds to smash it with my bucket, and my leg felt like it was burning. That's how hot it is. Good thing is, it shouldn't get any bigger than this. It should start dying down from here. Well, I say she's calmed down a lot. Boy, she's still way hot though. I can't get close to like push stuff in without burning my leg. But I'm going to head home. As you can see, it's still burning pretty good.